Hello and welcome to this new video on how to upgrade your plans on ChatGPT. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of its choice, and in the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. So just click on the search bar and you just have to type ChatGPT and press enter in the keyboard. Now with ChatGPT interface will be opened right in front of you. And in order to upgrade your plans and ChatGPT, you just have to look in the bottom left corner. There is an options to upgrade plans. You just have to click there, and three different options will appear right in front of you in a pop-up notification box. So first is free, that is, as the heading says, it is completely free to use. And next is the plus, and here are the benefits of the ChatGPT Plus, and next is the team, and here are the benefits of the ChatGPT team. So you can just click on the any upgrade that you want. If you want upgrade plus, you just need to click on the upgrade to plus button, and if you want to upgrade to team, you just need to click on the upgrade to team button and just click on there, and you just need to follow through the instructions, give the workspace name. After that, you just need to select the billing options, and after when you pay the price for the ChatGPT upgrade option, then you will be able to upgrade your plans. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.